Give the gift of good taste and good health this season. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I've made my list and checked it twice for all kinds of fun food gifts to give for the holidays. Let's start with something spicy. Hy-Vee has an amazing selection, so think about a bundle of traditional spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice for your best baker. Or give your favorite griller an assortment of seasoning mixes. Not sure what seasoning to give? How about a little bit of everything? Sweets don't have to mean candy. How about some beautiful raw honey or 100% real maple syrup? Festive fruits and nuts are always a great gift. And Hy-Vee has a whole range of stunning assortments you can just grab and gift or have one custom built. Or I love to gift a great gadget to help support a healthy lifestyle. I love this veggie spiralizer for homemade zucchini noodles. Or maybe think a little bigger, like an Instant Pot. And last but not least, I love making a fun food gift. Slice up a couple bananas and a few strawberries, and alternate them in the shape of a candy cane. Add a side of peanut butter fruit dip, which is just some vanilla Greek yogurt and peanut butter protein powder mixed together. And you've got a treat that's sweet, seasonal, and healthy. Wouldn't this be great to leave for Santa instead of milk and cookies? Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com, and for other gift ideas, check out your local Hy-Vee. For more tips to keep you and your family healthy, ask your local Hy-Vee dietitian.